got what's the name for this thing again? It's called the Belair Augusta Supercharger. And we've got ourselves one of these ice monkeys. He's got 2 superchargers plugged into the holes in his pickup truck bed. Just sitting there being stupid. Look at this mess. Okay, so I just talked to the boys with the pickup truck with the superchargers, the 2 supercharger handles plugged into the tie-down holes on the side of his truck bed, and they said they saw it on Instagram and thought it would be a funny joke. They declined to be interviewed here on YouTube. I thought it might have been interesting to hear their perspective on it, but he said, "Oh no, we just got to get home," and then they drove off. But these guys were young, so I don't know that they were being as malicious as some of the owners have ascribed them to be. Not I say these guys, but like all of these truck guys who do this. Some of them obviously are a bit more aggressive and anti-Tesla or whatever, but these ones were just being trying to be funny and being kind of lame at it. But they were the only ones here when they pulled up, and we were the only ones afterwards at almost 1:30 in the morning. So no harm, no foul, I guess, but it's also not really funny, and especially the more aggressive ones that actually are accosting owners and blocking all the charge stations, etc. 1 or 2, whatever. It's not really funny, but you can kind of see a meme, or I don't know what they're doing, but you can kind of see that. But it's when they start blocking them all off and get aggressive that does get rather annoying. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the Tesla bed. Basically right here during this brief supercharger moment, I'm catching up on tweets and emails, and my wife so kindly made up a nice little rest area for me on the 2017 and a half model 7 seats. The middle row actually folds, as well as every 5-seat Model X. Take a look. It doesn't have a lot of headroom. Alright, so not in this configuration anyway. So she's got a pillow and a comforter, and then I've got the climate control running, and then both of the back seats are folded down. I guess it might be easier to see from the trunk. Like so. It's very comfortable, very relaxing. And since I don't really feel tired, it's just a nice way to get a few minutes of rest away from the driver's seat. Rest your legs. It's pretty cool. Catch you all on the flip side.